Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Soma and I'm a makeup artist, and today I'm super excited to share with all of you this wonderful palette from Natasha Denona. This is the new Xenon palette and it's an artist's dream palette. That's pretty much the idea, and now we'll get started with the look straight away. These are the shades. I've been playing around with them, and today I'm going to create this look which I created yesterday as well and posted my picture on Instagram. That's my Instagram account. So if you want to check those pictures, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And I'm going to create the same look now today because I'm very excited to show you how quickly you can achieve this look if you want to achieve something like that with these 5 essential shadows. The names would be on this box, and from there I'm going to read out the names. So first I'm going to start with this shade, which is the lightest of the palette, and it is called Puff. When I was putting this shadow on, this is my first Natasha Denona palette. When I was putting this on, I was thinking maybe it could be a little bit chalky, but it is not at all chalky, and it gives me that opaque color payoff that I expect from Natasha Denona palettes. Sometimes these kind of shades be a little bit patchy, but here no chance, no patchiness, just buttery, smooth, silky finish shadow. And as it is suggested, I'm going to use a big fluffy brush to kind of build on and blend the color right here on and around my lid space. Even if you are in a hurry, you can pull off this beautiful look very quickly. So that's what I'm going to do with this pastel kind of beautiful puff shade all over my lid, around my lid, and it will give me a nice smooth silky base. That's my big fluffy brush from Makeup Forever. Perfect for this kind of job. Spreads the shadow beautifully and goes all over the places where I want this shadow to be. My first layer of shadow. Now I'm going to switch to a different brush. That is going to be this flat kind of shading brush. And with that, I'm going to choose the next shade, which is this beautiful light gray kind of shade. And the name of the shade is Mist. With that shade, I will cover half of my lid area. Keeping it really close to the lash line because I really want to build on to the smokiness. And that's how I'm going to create that beautiful shift from mist to puff or puff to mist. Actually, I can't choose which one is my most favorite because I could really think of so many beautiful makeup looks out of this palette, and every beauty makeup lover should check this out. Every artist should check this out because these are the shadows that will always give you a staple kind of shades, and you can create so many beautiful various makeup looks out of these 5 shades, and you will never be bored of these shades. So I'm going to use this beautiful charcoal gray kind of shade, and that's Gloom. Add some smokiness around the outer corner. So it is like a progression from light to dark, and with that you get that beautiful smoky effect, actually vividly smoky effect right there. They blend themselves. Beautiful. Keep the big fluffy brush handy to add on to that smoky effect. Beautiful, buttery, silky, smooth lid space. It is getting just one with the lid. All the shadows are blending together and it is giving me a nice smooth finish there. Very essential element for any kind of smoky eye. Last but not least, that could be the most favorite shade of mine in this palette, and that is the blackest black of Natasha Denona perfectly on point done black and absolutely stunning because this black is going to give you that intense black, beautiful outer corner, edgy look. And you can use that as your liner too. So both the shades can be used as liner. So I'm going to create a couple of more looks for sure. Can't wait. But for now, I'm going to stick to the look that I created yesterday, and many of you already complimented me, so thank you so much for that. It's really encouraging. On top of this, I'm just going to add my black, going little by little because it's really pigmented, but I want that smoky effect right there with that beautiful shadow. Hardly any fallout. Which one is your favorite Natasha Denona palette? I told you I was going to get this one because I just feel that these are the shadows that I would be using every single day. A close rounded smoky eye. That's what I'm going to achieve. The palette itself has a beautiful attitude to it and I'm really liking it. It's bold, it's beautiful, it's hypnotic, and it's everything that I would wish for. Now, my friends, the dazzling, the stunning, chromatic, beautiful foiled effect. And for that, I'm going to use my fingertip. And I will let you know about the swatches of all, but let me complete this look first. Look at that. It feels like moon dust to me. The more I'm using it, the more I'm attracted to it. Gorgeous. Just stunning, isn't it? Okay, and with that, the remaining product, I'm going down on my lower lash line. You can totally use a dense brush for this purpose. I'm going to do that too, but I think it will evenly spread the product the way I want it to spread on my lower lash line, because that is going to give me that brightening, starry effect there. And now with the dense brush, a little bit more, starting from the center on the same shade, as you can totally see. Bring the light back on, and that is the beauty of this shadow. And after I'm done with this, I'm going to use my flat brush one more time, and I'm going to use that charcoal gray kind of shade. That means I'm using Bloom, to just use it as my transition and an overlapping shade to enhance the smoky effect. Lovely, beautiful smokiness. Okay, and a little bit of blackest black just around the corner. You will be super happy if you choose to get this palette. These colors are absolutely staple in any artist kit. You need a beautiful black, an intense one, to get the job done. You need this color, which can give you so many beautiful liner effect. And soon I will feature a look where I will not touch this shade and I will only play around with the mattes, because I'm sure that will give me a beautiful, intense smoky eye as well. So today's smoky eye is more of an evening party smoky eye, and this would be my intense black smoky eye. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment, and of course let me know which one is your favorite Natasha Denona palette. Nothing on my brush now. I'm just blending everything together so that I get a beautiful overlapped effect. And with my fluffy brush and a little bit of loose powder, I'm going to clear out the area of my eye. I love a beautiful powder, or this beautiful shade Puff can also get this job done, because it is a beautiful textured shadow. Very silky, very smooth, very buttery, and goes on super easily. All the shades are beautiful, all the shadow quality. Every shade, every single shade is going to pack a punch. Every single shade has got a top-notch, beautiful quality to it. I'm absolutely happy that I tried this one, and ever since it was on Instagram, I decided that I would go for this one. And now, my friend, my current favorite, and I think it is going to be a staple in my collection, Stila Magnum XXX Lashes Mascara. Builds on very beautifully, easily, impactfully. I'm going to take my time with it. So if you want to place an order, you can go ahead, place an order. The link is down below. The price point is amazing. I mean, this quality with that price point, it's really miraculous. And there you go, my Stila lashes. Because I want that dramatic eyelashes effect, I'm using this on my lower lash line as well. And with that, and now, my friends, I'm going to give you the swatches. But before that, I'm going to line my eyes with Eye Studio Maybelline. I want to intensify the intensity. So using that, I'm going to just use this as my liner, and that too near the roots. That really gives the nice dimension and intense eye look. I really love it. So totally an optional, but I think you should go for this one. I really trust this gel liner a lot. And it's been more than 10 years. I've been repurchasing this. And it has never, ever disappointed me. Now that's the difference I was talking about. It totally defines the eyes, and you feel that whole makeup look just stands out. You can intensify this with this Blackest Black. Just dabbing it and locking it in. It softens and intensifies. So that's what I'm going to do today with my shadow palette. And now, my friends, thank you for waiting, because I'm going to show you the swatches. I'm starting from this shade, Puff. One swipe, no chalkiness, no skip, just silky smooth, buttery shadow. Mist, lovely. Chromatic, stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Gloom. And last but not least, absolutely Blackest Black matte black eyeshadow. It's dream, really. So that's my Natasha Denona Xenon palette, and I really am enjoying this palette so much and can't wait to share a couple of more looks with all of you. So this is Soma saying bye to you. I'm going to rock this look, and of course you will see some nice pictures on Instagram, right? You're going to follow me there, right? Yes. So stay tuned, come back soon, and we will discuss more on this palette. See you. Have a great time.